Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Samo. So guys, today we have two iPhone 17 Pro on the table. And today's video is an unboxing video of the iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange. I did a video on this in my YouTube channel, so you can find the unboxing of this one on my YouTube channel. So guys, today we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, the Cosmic Orange. This is the most trendy iPhone 17 Pro out there. If you are looking on getting an iPhone 17 Pro, you should go with this color. And if you are not really sure of what you want to do, watch to the end of this video because I'm going to be unboxing this phone with you guys on this video. So you want to make sure you stay till the end. You can look at the phone, it's still pretty sealed. It has not been opened yet. This is the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro, and this is the 512 gig. So guys, let's dive into that. Yeah, so guys, welcome back. And you just saw the video of the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro. So this video is just going to be like a proper unboxing, nothing too much. I'm going to be showing you guys how I open the phone and show you guys how the phone looks. And we'll talk about the outside features of the phone. We're not going to be going really deep into the phone, just an unboxing video after 2 months showing you guys how this looks and how this feels. And if you have an iPhone 17 Pro out there, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it's going well for you, okay? So let's get into the unboxing of the phone. So you can see the label right there, pretty sealed. So I'm going to be doing it in front of you guys, and you guys are going to be seeing how I open the phone. Okay, so guys, so let's unbox the phone. So I'm going to start from the bottom right here. Oh my God, so excited for this. So this, oh, I just did a mistake. I thought it, come on, what's wrong with me? So let's get this out of the way. Let's take it from here. Yeah, that is gone. So let's do this as well. I'm kind of shaking right now. Yeah. This one too. Let's take it out of the way. So, unboxed. The seal is gone, guys. So let's... Ooh. Holy Christ. Take a look at this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful, guys. This is the case, and this is the phone. We just unboxed the iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange. So it comes like this. This is how the orange comes. It's so cold. Wow. So this is how it comes in. So these are the 3 cameras. They are all 48 megapixels camera, and the back here is titanium. So your phone is good, even without the case. But you have to be careful with that. I'm not saying you should go and drop your phone on the floor. Without the case, the phone is pretty good, but you have to be very careful with the way you use your phone. Just take a look at this. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. So guys, this phone, it's so beautiful, guys. Just take a look. So this is the back here, the titanium back here. That's the camera control by the side as well for this. And you know, this is a different design. The Apple is now in like a rectangular box right here. It just feels so sleek, honestly. The orange feels so sleek, it's so neat. Like, I just like the way Apple designed the iPhone 17 Pro, honestly. So let's talk about what you have in the box as well. So it comes with a Type-C card, and that's pretty much everything. Apple don't give us the AirPods or anything like that. So it's just the Type-C cable. Let's put it right in there, and the phone. Let's take this out. Ooh. Oh my God. Taking this out was so refreshing. Like, look at the screen. It has a Super Retina 6.8 XDR display. Top notch. Trust me, you can never go wrong. If you want to get the iPhone 17 Pro, don't go for this color. Go for this color. Trust me, because this is very beautiful, and when you mash it up with your phone case, it goes really, really well with your phone case. If you have the iPhone 17 Pro, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. How has the phone been for you? Have you seen any scratches? Have you received any complaint about the phone? Because honestly, the best one to get in the market, like the color, will be this cosmic orange, because it is so trendy, so beautiful, and most people get the phone because it fits well in the phone case. Because when you get the phone case for the phone, the cosmic orange goes well with any phone case you would want to get in the market. And I just like the phone. So sleek, so beautiful, just so pretty. Take a look once again. It has the 48, all the three cameras here, 48 megapixels camera. That's the screen right there, the XDR display 6.8. The phone is just so beautiful, honestly. I just love the phone. And this one has the A19 chip in them as well. It has a nice battery life. It has a ProRes RAW also for if you want to shoot high quality cinematic videos. It has the ProRes RAW in them. All you have to do is you have to make sure you use them with an SSD, because it's a very, very, very powerful log you want to use for shooting videos. So you want to attach an SSD to your phone and you are good for that. So the phone is really nice. Honestly, I love the phone. Very, very beautiful. Let's turn it on. Let's see. You guys should let me know when it gets turned on. I don't know when it's going to get turned on, but I'm just going to guess. And yeah, it's turned on. That's the phone turning on right there. I'm going to let you guys see everything when it comes up. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to say the hello thing right there. There's the phone. Yeah. It's very, very beautiful, honestly. I just love the phone. So beautiful. iPhone 17 Pro, the best you can ever get. So if you want to get the iPhone 17 Pro, make sure you go for the cosmic orange. After 2 months, it is still worth the money, trust me. With the features packed on this phone, it can do anything you want it to do. So that's everything about the video. I'm not going into the features that much. It's just an unboxing of the phone, and I'm just telling you guys, this phone is so beautiful. So make sure you get the cosmic orange, and drop your thoughts in the comment section if you have the phone already. And if you stayed in the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and drop a thought in the comment section if you have anything to say about the iPhone 17 Pro. As for me, positive always. After 2 months, yes, go get the phone. You can see we unboxed it together. You guys saw everything about the phone, and it is still a good one. So let me know what you think about the phone in the comment section. And if you stay to the end of this video, you are a good one, you're the real one. I really, really appreciate you staying to the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for the support. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. This is a new community. Let us grow together. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.